The Giants in search of their first three-game winning streak of the season, taking on the Reds. Everyone wearing pink on Sunday, celebrating Mother's Day. 1-0 Giants, bottom of the first, looking for more. Buster Posey facing Tim Adelman.
On the ground and a base hit. It's 2-0. Peraza couldn't come up with it. They try to crowd Nunez again, and he shoots this one into left field, a base hit. Here's the throw home. It's on line, and Crawford is safe. The Giants lead 4-0. So here's Crawford. Runners are going to go, and Crawford lines it down the left field line. Nobody there. Both runs score, and that's an add-on right there. And it's driven to left, and Nunez is going to dive and make the catch. Nunez has been doing it all. What a great play.
Here's Brandon Belt. Here's the pitch on the way. Belt hits a high drive deep into right center field. Adios! Pelota! And Brandon Belt hit a screamer for his 7th home run this year. 8-2 Giants.
The Giants win 3 in a row for the first time this year as they take it 8-3. That 8 runs ties a season high. Jeff Samardzija's first win of the year, allowing 3 runs in 6 2/3 innings, striking out 8. Tim Adelman had to leave the game with neck stiffness in the second inning.